Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let us see the energies of Capricorn ngayong October 2023. Your energy. Okay, the devil. Energy niya talaga to. So, it seems like you have this certain obsession about something. This can be obsessed sa relationship, obsessed on your business, your career, obsessed sa isang bagay na very much interested ka. Okay? So, pag ganun, it seems that you're so focused, laser light focus sa isang bagay na yung ibang mga importanteng bagay is maaring na-overlook mo na or hindi mo na napapansin. Okay? So, maari ring may mga desires ka ngayon. So, you're more focused or leaning towards material things ngayong October. Maaring marami kang goals, marami kang gusto ma-achieve, and of course, minsan pag sobra, lahat ng sobra, hindi na maganda, di ba? So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn ngayong October? The challenge is decision making. Pagpili. So, maaring meron kang mga kailangang i-let go, no, na hindi mo pa let go of because you feel like you are still benefiting from that. This can be a toxic relationship na yes, toxic siya, pero meron kang benefits doon. Or a toxic career na yes, toxic yung career, trabaho, pero still you are getting paid from what you are doing, diba? So, it's a challenge for you to decide what is best for you. Okay? So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Capricorn? 8 of Wands, you have the opportunity to move forward, no? Sa 8 of Wands is action, taking action, to travel. Merong good news for you. Maaring mga bagong opportunities coming towards you. So, kailangan lang, you really need to decide what is best for you, kung ano yung makakabuti for you. Kasi mukhang maraming choices na available sa'yo. And sometimes, kapag maraming choices, yun yung reason kaya hindi tayo nakakapag-desisyon. Kasi parang, we are very careful which is going to be best for us. Diba? So, there's also good news. Merong travel opportunities for you this October. May exploration. So, your blessing, ano yung blessing mga Capricorn? You have the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is a new beginning. Yung iba, meron kayong blessing of parang buying a property. Pwedeng meron kayong bibilhing bahay, lupa, sasakyan. Medyo malaking, high ticket na bagay na mabibili ninyo. Oo, pwede ring mga appliances or gamit sa bahay na makakatulong sa pag-ooperate mo sa bahay or sa business mo. Yes, meron ditong prosperity rin. So, I think you are starting, for some of you, starting a new career or a business. Let's see your money. Ano yung kaperahan energy ng mga Capricorn ngayong October? Ace of Wands, new beginning. Oo, merong I feel like meron kayong pupuntahan na lugar ngayong October na magbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration to start something new like related sa finances ninyo. Pwedeng magiging bagong source of income ninyo. So, may mga travel opportunities rin. I feel like someone might be reaching out sa'yo about talking about an idea, and maaring yun yung magiging source of inspiration mo. Some of you, bagong career, bagong source of income. And then, let's see your career. The Star. Wow. So, ayun na nga, merong inspiration talaga sa inyo. Source of inspiration sa career. Can be a new job, new business. You have a lot of energy. Okay? Sa trabaho. You're also hoping and praying for success ng trabaho, ng career mo, ng business mo. And this is also about healing. So, I think meron kang i-heal na kalagayan mo sa finances mo. Pwedeng meron kang mga, let's say, mga utang or mga responsibilities na unti-unti mong inaayos. But for your career as well, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na maging very successful sa field ninyo. May recognition din dito. So, sa love naman, Two of Wands. You may be partnering with someone, no? Like your romantic partner, a loved one, sa isang project or business. Some of you rin merong decision making, whether you are going to pursue this relationship to a higher level of commitment or you will let go. Oo, kasi maaring may realization ka na may mga relationships kasi na matagal na pero parang na-stuck na. Oo, wala nang patutunguhan, ganon. So some of you are reconsidering things with your partner. Defensive, or you are protecting yourself. You are someone na medyo nasa defensive mode, na if there is something na lumalapit sa'yo or someone, can be an opportunity, parang nagiging skeptical ka. Titingnan mo kung, is this good for you? Is this going to benefit you? No? May benepisyo ka ba doon? So, kapag wala, you're going to push that away. You may be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And more on air yung energy ninyo, logical. You may be communicating with a lot of people ngayong October, talking to a lot of people, and also learning. No? So I think yung iba sa inyo nag-o-obsess sa isang bagay na gusto nyong ma-master. Can be anything. Ma-master ang isang topic, ma-master ang isang area of studies, no? Sword, make the change. Okay, so ngayong October, maaring meron kang changes na gagawin sa physical appearance mo, magpapagupit ka, or this can mean yung reflection mo sa sarili mo na ano yung bagay na kailangan mong baguhin for the better. Na sa tingin mo makakapag-improve ng iyong ng buhay mo, no? And then, dragon, slay them all. Yes, matapang ka. You are also going to fight your own battles, no? You're someone who's very independent, courageous. Marami kang lakas ng loob, no? Na harapin lahat ng mga challenges na makakaharap mo ngayong October. Nasa defensive mode ka talaga eh. So, talagang very much protected yung energy mo. You will be playing a different role. So, I think, meron kang project or gagawin ngayong October na outside of what you are currently doing. You know? So, pwedeng experimentation to for you. So, you also have someone will try to make you do something against your will. So, be careful with this. Ito yung parang ang tawag doon, kapag someone is asking you to do something na ayaw mo. Oo. So, be careful with dealing with people na parang ipupush ka sa isang bagay na ayaw mo naman talagang gawin, and then they will want you to do that. Okay? So, that's why the universe is asking you to protect your energies, and yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, be selective of the people na pagkakatiwalaan mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.